Alright, we are going to learn how to put Ibotta on your Android and on the toolbar for Chrome. I'm going to be stumbling like I always do, so please bear with me. Alright, so first here, because this is BlueStacks, I have it on my computer because I don't know how to do it screen thing through my phone. So, we're going to go to Google Play. Hopefully it doesn't lag because it takes a lot. Go here. Search for, oh, yeah, Ibotta. Click on it. Now, here we got, it says 4.5% reviews. Now, before we download, I'll tell you that if you haven't used it before, it's a good way to get money back. All you need is a cell phone, email, and your phone number so you can text. They can text you to make sure who you are. Click the link below. Okay. To download to the cell phone. Now, Ibotta's not going to make you rich. It's not going to give you full refund back. You have to use your money. You can even use your EBT. Ibotta is just a good app to use. After you make $20, you can transfer to Amazon, Walmart, or even PayPal. You also get bonuses if you buy the products that tells you to get, which can be $1, $10, or even more. But it also depends on the user. Sometimes somebody gives you $1 for something, and sometimes you can get $5 for that thing. And it'll also tell you how much you got to get. Like you can have to get 5 things or 35 things. Depends on the person. And so, and then it's just an easy way to think, but it doesn't make you rich. And it can be very annoying to try to get the stuff you need because I'm not a couponer. This is basically the only thing I use is this and Shopkick and Fetch Rewards. That's about all I use. And I'll probably put that down in the link below. Oh, would it be a link below? Or I'll put the link down below in the subscription. Okay. Now, this will show you pictures. Let's see. Let's click on the pictures. See if we can do it. Okay. Cashback made easy. Every time you shop in store online. They do have it. I could do Walmart. When you put it on the toolbar, I could do Walmart.com, and I think they started at the Target and some other places. And let's see if I can go to the next picture. What? Oh, wow. This, I guess it ain't one of those that goes over. Okay. Get up to 20 in welcome bonuses. Let me give it a try. Cashback on groceries. It shows the pictures. Get your gift cards. So online shopping. And you can do that with your phone. And like I said, you can do the toolbar in some of the stores so you can be able to get some money back with that too. Okay. Or more. This is the bonuses. Like I said, the $1 midweek. Somebody else could be getting a $5 for the midweek. You can earn it on booze. Okay, let's see. Oh, that. There we go. And then withdraw earnings. You got to have up to at least $20. And then when you go to get the money out, they will ask you to confirm your identity. With a phone number usually. Alright. Now, okay, we go up to here, go to install. I'm not sure if I have to have, I can't remember. So, like I said, I haven't put it on here yet. Okay, it is downloading. Used to be you can look on here and it'll tell you the size of what it is when you're downloading. But now you don't find the size until you go online and go to the store or go to the store on its own. That's the only time I do it on Chrome. That's the only time I ever see the size that you're downloading. So Ibotta. We're working on it. Installing. Sorry if it gets noisy around here pretty soon. My husband might walk in here. And I got my YouTube going on a live thing from some kitties. Watching kitty babies. Okay, now. I usually don't go to here. So I usually go to home. So this. I'll go to Ibotta. Okay. Okay. Like I said, I haven't loaded Ibotta on BlueStacks before, so we'll just see. And I do have a tutorial for BlueStacks. Okay, so it says sign up and get $20 bonus. So you go to sign up with email. And they'll tell you email and the password. Okay. So I will be right back. Alright. I clicked on the thing before I put in there. It'll ask you when you sign in after I put your email, password, and your birth date. And it'll ask you for a referral code. I'll put like I said, I'll put my referral code down in the description. Okay, so now here you go. Use your location to get cash. Say continue. Here we go. Allow. Okay. Let's see. Now, we have like, this is the one like I do Walmart. Go to Walmart. Okay, up here it says link your Walmart account. You can do it that way, and like I said, and then you can do it on the toolbar. So, like here, okay, so you get 23 hours left for 50 cents back on your grocery receipt. It'll refresh after you pay for it. Sometimes it'll come back within the next week. And the ice cream. You got limit 5. Let's see. Let me click on it. Alright, so here you got limit 5 of $1 off or $1 back. You got to pay the full price, and they'll put the money onto your Ibotta account. But you can do 5, and it'll count. You know, you get $5 back. I don't think you're gonna buy all that ice cream, but you know. And then, okay. Now here is, let's see. So you just look at that. So we'll go back here and up here. Say you are 0% of your way towards earning any offer bonus. You're 0% way toward earning the welcome bonus. And then, of course, it has the teammates, because there'll be teammates down there, people, you know. If you use somebody's referral code, it'll be on there. Or you make your own referral code. Okay, let's see. Here we go. There's the account. I just made, and, you know, Here's where you be current earnings and lifetime earnings. This is when you reach $20, you can withdraw their cash. Here's the gift cards. But you gotta like add your real name, confirm your email, link your phone number. It's the payment methods. Everything. Oops. Go back one. This will be your earnings. Community, invite your friends. Favorites, teamwork, settings. Okay, now here is the earn more. Like here, $15 welcome bonus. You will redeem 0 of 9 offers. And offers redeemed more than once on a receipt will only count one time. So like I said with the Breyers ice cream, you bought 5 of them, but they will not be 5 on here. It'll be only 1. And sometimes you will get special bonuses where it would be, here we go, any offer. No, that's just for any offer. Redeem 1 offer. Hell, that's those are $10 right there. Offers redeemed more than once on a receipt will only count 1 time toward bonus. But there is that we get special bonuses, and it will count no matter how much stuff you buy. You could buy like all 5 and it would count. And some of them will tell you, no, you can't even do any offer. I think it was like that or something. But mostly, any offer you usually get. But yeah, if it says a bonus, you get $15 for 35 offers that you get. But you might count each offer. So like I said, $5, 5 of the Breyers. Yeah. And then you also get these, like macaroni and cheese. This is per transaction. 5 offers redeemed, but you got to do 5 different transactions for it to count. Let's see. And you get all kinds of stuff down here. The dial. $1 bonus. You got to have redeem 2 separate offers. But then again, you might be able to buy. I'm not sure if you can buy. I get confused on the redeem. It's a pain in the butt. You might be able to buy both of these at one time. This one and that one, and it could be the 2. I can tell you, I'm stumbling on half the shit I don't want to talk about. I have no idea what I'm talking about. Anyways. And then when you get your receipt from the store that you choose that is for in-store, where it says in-store, 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 and online. This is for online. I'll tell you about that later. But in-store, you click on Walmart. Maybe. I guess it's just different on the BlueStacks. Now, Walmart, from the in-store receipt, all you have to do is when you get to the redeem and it shows you, you can do continue. Let's see. I can't do that. Different phone. But the in-store Walmart, you can get the barcode on the bottom. All you got to do is scan a barcode on the bottom of your receipt for the in-store Walmart. And the others, you have to do the whole receipt, which is a pain in my buttocks. But yeah, you got all these stores here. I haven't seen a Piggly Wiggly in so long. Yeah. Costco, Dollar General, Aldi, Safeway, in-store, Coburn, Ridley. There's just all kinds of stores here. Alright, now go back home. You go to the app here itself after you put your cards on and stuff, and go to like the in stores. You can go online shopping. And right here, like it says now, right now it says 5% back on Amazon, 6% back at Walmart. Not for, I don't think it's for everything. I'm not sure. Because I know my Rakuten is a pain in the butt. Said, oh, you didn't get your money points. Oh, screw you. Grubhub, Walgreens, Home Shopping Network, Groupon, Home Depot, all these onlines here. Tells you how much money you get back. Sam's Club. Alright. Okay, so that is how you download Ibotta onto your phone. Like I said, hopefully it wasn't too crappy. I am so sorry. I do not articulate well. I get confused. I confuse myself. Oh, and this also gives you down here special deals. Okay, so I will be right back with how to download on the toolbar. So download the toolbar on Chrome. My goodness.